Hello everyone, welcome in today's session. Show that cos inverse of 4 upon 5 plus cos inverse of 12 upon 13 minus cos inverse of 33 upon 65 is equal to 0. Let us solve this equation. Solution: let cos inverse 4 upon 5 is equal to x. Now take this cos inverse on right hand side, hence cos x is equal to, we can write 4 upon 5. Now here we have to find out sin x also, hence formula sin x is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square x, and this is equal to square root of 1 minus cos x is 4 upon 5, so 4 upon 5 its square, so this is equal to square root of 1 minus 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, this is equal to square root of 25 into 1 25 minus this 16 divided by 25, which is equal to square root of 9 upon 25. This is equal to square root of 9 upon square root of 25, and this is equal to square root of 9 is 3 upon square root of 25 is 5. Hence sin x is equal to 3 upon 5. And here cos x is 4 upon 5. Now let us assume cos inverse of 12 upon 13 is equal to new variable y. Hence, taking this cos inverse on right hand side, this can be written as cos y is equal to 12 upon 13. And now here we have to find out sin y. Similar to previous step, sin y also equal to square root of 1 minus cos square y, but cos y is 12 upon 13. So this is equal to square root of 1 minus 12 upon 13 its square, which is equal to square root of 1 minus 12 square is 144 divided by 13 square is 169. Hence this is equal to square root of 169 minus 144 divided by 169. This is equal to 169 minus 144 is square root of 25 divided by 169. This is equal to square root of 25 divided by square root of 169. This is equal to square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 169 is 13. Hence, cos y is equal to 12 upon 13 and sin y is equal to 5 upon 13. Now we have to consider a formula cos of x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. But we know cos x is 4 upon 5 into cos y is 12 upon 13 minus sin x is 3 upon 5 into sin y is 5 upon 13. Let us simplify this. This is equal to 4 into 12, 48 divided by 5 into 13, 65 minus 3 into 5, 15 divided by 65. Denominators are same, hence LCM is 65. In numerator 48 minus 15, and this is equal to 33 upon 65. So cos of x plus y is 33 upon 65. Hence cos of x plus y is equal to 33 upon 65. This implies, taking this cos on right hand side, x plus y is equal to cos inverse 33 upon 65. But here x is nothing but, we have assumed x is equal to cos inverse of 4 upon 5. Hence cos inverse 4 upon 5 plus, as per our assumption, y is nothing but cos inverse 12 upon 13, and this is equal to, right hand side is cos inverse 33 upon 65. Now taking all terms on one side, we can write cos inverse 4 upon 5 plus cos inverse 12 upon 13 minus cos inverse 33 upon 65. This is equal to 0. Hence the proof. So in this way, this statement we have proved. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.